Okay, good morning everybody, and welcome back to part 7 of my Marks Models Wanderer 2-meter sailplane build. We got a little bit done here since the last video. I finally got these outer wing panels outside and sanded. I got the leading edge all shaped up. I got the wingtip blocks sanded to a shape. I still need to hit this with some 400 grits for the final sanding, but they're pretty much done. I got the center section test fit. That's not glued yet. I just have it clamped up there, just looking at the fit, and that looks pretty good. So I think I'm going to work on a spar doubler for that, using this material here. It's really the only thing I have big enough. It's not going to be as long as I wanted it to be, but it's going to work. It's going to be better than nothing. Remember, this plane had no doubler. It was basically just glued together end to end on the spars. So we'll be able to make that a little bit better. Have a little bit of peace of mind anyways. So, hopefully today we'll be getting this wing completely finished up. I don't know if I'll get it covered today, but it'll be all glued up, and then we'll do the final sanding. So maybe tomorrow I can get it covered if I don't get it started today. So we're going to go ahead and continue on with that. I'm going to get this center section joined up, and we'll see about getting these outer panels glued on, and that'll be it for the wing. So let me get a little bit more done here, and I will get right back to you. See you in a bit. Okay, and welcome back. Got some more done here. I got that spar doubler cut out that I wanted to do. I cut it out on my scroll saw and then sanded it. And then I notched the front of those ribs to accept the spar doubler. So that's done. So basically now I believe I will be joining these center wing panels, and then I'll get the sheeting on the center section there, and then we'll be ready for a sanding on the leading edges and the ribs and everything. Get the first rough sanding in here, and then we will put on the outer panels, do another final sanding, and then we will be ready to cover. So I'm going to go ahead and work on gluing these panels together, and I will get right back with you. Okay, and we are back. I got the center wing sections all joined up and sheeted. I still need to take it outside and sand it, but it's a beautiful day outside, low humidity, low temps, so it's going to be a nice day sanding, even though I don't really care for it a whole lot, but hey, it's got to get done. I accidentally chipped out a little piece of the trailing edge there, so I had to cut a little piece and fill it in. I'll be sanding that too. And then they recommend this glass cloth to go on here in epoxy. I don't really think it needs it. I've got the spar doubler in there now, but I'm going to go ahead and do it anyways, just for extra peace of mind. I imagine I have to squeeze some epoxy into this cloth. I don't remember how that went on, but I think that's how it goes. So yeah, just about done. And then, of course, I'll be attaching the outboard wing panels on. Doing that last simply because I don't have a lot of room in the workbench here. Not as much room as I have for the J3 Cub. Picked up a few goodies. Got this E-Flite 30 amp Pro brushless ESC. It's going to go in. This part zone replacement. It's a 480B Outrunner. Should be okay. Engine mounts and hardware. I had to pick up a regular prop. There's a 9-inch prop there. I have a folding prop on order. he didn't have any in stock, so Wednesday, hopefully that'll be in. Okay, so I think I'm going to go ahead and get this glass cloth put on here so that I can set it aside and let it dry. Again, I'm hoping to cover this thing later on this afternoon after the wingtip panels glue up. This evening, probably. I really love to get this out for a maiden tomorrow, but I don't know. It's going to be close. But we shall see. If not, then I'll sneak it up to the airfield by myself on Monday. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and do some more, and I will be right back in a bit. Okay, we're back here real quick. Got some more done here. I got this glass cloth glued on, top and bottom. So now I'm going to let it set here for a bit longer and cure up, and then I'll hit it with the sanding block, get that as smooth as I can for the covering. So basically all that's left is gluing on the outer panels, and the wing will be completely done, ready to cover. I'm not sure if I'm going to get any more done today. I'm about to run an errand here. I'm going to go meet a guy at about an Airtronics Olympic 2 102-inch wingspan glider that he's got for sale. It's shagged. The covering it's not usable. It's been sitting in his basement for 30 years, he says. So I'm going to go check that out, and I think I'm going to be doing that as a restore video here soon, but I'll be getting back on the J3 Cub before I get to that. So yeah, got another up-and-coming project here, a restoration of an Airtronics Olympic 2, if everything goes okay. So let me go run out and meet with him, and if I get back in time today, then I will show you what that looks like real quick. But that'll be set aside for another day. So let me get out of here, and I will get right back with you. Okay, welcome back. So I ran my errand, and I picked up a rescue project. It's an Airtronics Olympic 2 102-inch wingspan. This thing is solid. Nothing is coming apart on it except the covering. The covering's got to go and be replaced, of course. But this thing is just rock solid. The fuselage is straight. The wings seem flat. So yeah, another project coming up. And that'll be a restoration. And I think I will be doing some extra mods to it too as well. Stay tuned for that. One of them I know is going in. I had it in my original plane in '82. So yeah, we've got that to look forward to, and we'll be coming up a little bit later after I work on the J3 some more. All right, so that's about it for today, I think. I'll get the rest of this. I'll pick this up again tomorrow because we're getting ready to go out to have some fun out on a Saturday night. We're going to a brewery and check that out for a bit. So thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I look forward to seeing you here for the very next video. Cheers, everybody. Bye-bye.